What is going on, guys? I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a vault in Revolut. So from the top bit of Revolut, you just want to go to the right and you want to click on vaults, and here you want to click create vault. Now from here you have different options. You can organize my money and you can save and earn money, and with organize my money you can share with friends, easily manage your spending, but in this case we're going to save and earn money which will reach your financial goals. And then you can see the different amount of interest you can earn, and it is paid daily. In this case, I'm going to pick British pound. And here you can see 2.39% interest paid daily, no minimum deposit, withdraw anytime, FSCS protection up to £85,000 per bank, and it's talking about the bank deposit, terms and conditions. All you're going to do is I reviewed all documents and give my consent. And here you can rename your vault. In this case, I'm going to call it travel money, because I'm going to save up to be a digital nomad again, and we'll click continue. And as you can see, the vault has successfully been created, and now you have an option to put money in. I'm just going to put £1 in, just for example, and your travel money vault has successfully been created. As you can see, here is my vault. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps it spread to more people. Thank you.